No, it's warm out.
You're right. Is this it?
This is it right here. You ready for this?
I'm really gonna drive this?
Yes.
These are cool, these like handlebars or?
So this is actually, these are the controls. There's no steering wheel, nothing of that nature.
This is left to right or?
Yeah, to put
How do you turn?
The turn is forward and backwards. So forward on this side makes that wheel go forward.
Okay.
And then if you pull it back,
Oh, so if you pull one back and one forward, then you'll
you'll be spinning in circles.
Ooh,
yeah,
drifting lawnmowers.
Yes.
Am I the typical person you would hire for a job?
Not typically, but we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take this down, come back, and then it'll be your turn.
All right, so how do we do this?
Okay, just go forward for just a second. You see how it feels? We're gonna give it a run. You ready? You ready? Okay. Put the seatbelt on.
Sure
I don't think a seatbelt's ever been used before.
But like, I feel like if we crash, would I want to just fall off?
Probably not. I would also probably not cross my feet when you go down.
Okay.
Let's go, go, go. More.
Difficult.
Pull this red button up.
Okay. Don't worry, everyone.
You nailed it.
Did I do well?
Wait,
guys, I feel like we're a little...
You missed a spot like right here, but other than that, it looks great. Can you kind of tell what you mowed versus what you didn't mow? Can you see it? No? Okay. So I would slow down a straight line and then just see if you can come back right next to it.
Okay. Now slowing down. Better?
You did do race car? It was closer. It was much closer. The other time it was like a wide arc. We're getting tighter. So do you see where you're at right here? You don't want to come back and be like right here.
Okay, good. I'm understanding.
Okay,
good.
All right,
good.
Let's give it a shot.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
We might as well just run it again.
Better?
Perfect.
Oh yeah, you good.
You got it, you nailed it.
Let's go.
That was awesome. No, that was really good though.
So good.
So this is the next tool we're gonna use.
Okay.
This is what we use to get anything that we can't mow. Got the little string here in the bottom, and this part, it spins and it cuts the grass.
So would it hurt if this thing hit me?
Yes.
Okay, have you ever been hit by it?
Yes.
What happens?
You bleed.
Oh.
Yes. Just gonna pull on this until it starts. You're gonna pull it all the way out.
Good.
Like a, you wanna do one of those?
Okay.
Until it starts.
Does that take a lot of muscle?
No, it's super easy.
Okay.
Super light. Now pull it, crank it.
You lied, this is not easy. Am I doing it correctly?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm not doing it correctly. So when do I know how to stop doing this?
Whenever it starts.
So you know what?
She's definitely gonna be the mower. Bend your elbow right here, and then you're gonna come down with it like this.
Like that?
You feel that movement? Yeah.
Ooh.
We're gonna trim along this fence here. Yeah, gotta get some practice in. Yep, keep it nice and level. Oh yeah. Rev it up. Let's go. Good, keep going. Walk with it, yep.
Woohoo! Thank you so much for watching this episode of The Hustle. To make sure you never miss an episode, subscribe at PragerU.com. And for a deeper dive into business, economics, and financial literacy, check out our show Cash Course at PragerUKids.com.